stop is East 10th Street and Avenue A.
Okay, I just finished my workout and I'm in Midtown. I'm about to get on the train to go down to the East Village back home because tonight is wine night. So I think we only have 4 people for today's wine night, but like that's okay because who cares? I'm so excited. It's our very first one. So I think it's gonna pick up, but I have to stop by Trader Joe's to get the food to pair with the wine because you like taste the wine, then you try the food and see how it changes. So that's what we're up to now. And also shout out Juliana because she does this in San Diego and that's what inspired us. First I got original savory thin rice crackers.
Those are good.
A cracker connoisseur. She's a fan. Then I got the Spanish inspired charcuterie set because it has like the spicy salami, the big salami, and prosciutto. So
It's perfect.
then I'm gonna do a haul, like a try of these on my TikTok because they're gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, chunky with sea salt. Like, shut up, that's my dream. So, okay, these are for me. I got 2. Then I got gluten-free cranberry raisin toast, which I didn't know that they made gluten-free ones of these, so that's cool. They have pumpkin seeds and rosemary, very good. And then this is like a meat they told us to get. It's how do you even say it? Bulgogi.
Yeah,
Bulgogi. And it's a Korean inspired sesame marinated boneless beef ribs. And this is supposed to change the taste of the wine a little bit. So very excited for that.
That's so much Rami photo.
And then the brie is also what they recommended for us. And I got the brie spread.
Oh, nice.
And this is also supposed to change like the flavors. So these are the 2 that our wine club book recommended that we try. So we're gonna have to start with these. And then for extra, I got, this is my favorite cheese. I don't know why. Normally it's like a small little one, but, and then in case anyone's dairy free, I got goat cheese.
Oh, yeah.
And it has, what's on the side of it? Like fine herbs. I don't know. Sounds good. This is the book that we're following. It's called Wine Club by Marie Petrosky. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We are on obviously our first month. Like I said in the last clip, we're just getting going. So we only got 4 people today, but 4 is better than none. Cabs have. And so it goes like that. And then it gives you like getting to know, you talk about the cab, the legend of a Bordeaux, whatever, like about wine, all the good stuff. And yeah. Wow. She outdid herself with the charcuterie board. Like that. Guys, the vibes could not be better in our little apartment. So charcuterie board ready, candle lit. I'm like out of breath. I'm heating up the stove because now I'm gonna cook these. I didn't want to cook them like too early and have them be cold. My poppy, duh. And then over here, oh, maybe we could just put the wine club book on the table already. Like really set the vibe. And then these are the 2 wines that Reese and I got. We got a California one and I don't even know where the other one is. France. Reese just knows everything. So there she is, little hard worker. But yeah, we're so excited. So excited. Ayo, hopefully this just becomes like a monthly thing and like the vibes are just vibing super hard. So yay. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna do a taste test. Yeah. Good morning. Happy Friday. Wine club was so fun, but I don't have work today because I quit my job yesterday. It's my 2 weeks, so crazy. And so it's a rainy day, but I've got fun things planned, and I thought we're gonna spend it together. Reese got me a matcha, and here's my OO TV. I'm wearing aloe navy set and a Viore little cover up because it's raining and cold. And I really want to walk to Tribeca, so I think I'm just gonna do it. You know? That was actually the most insane workout ever. Andy, Fuse House, Tribeca. Wow. And now Meadow Lane's right around the corner, so obviously I'm gonna go get a little treat. I'm almost done with my styling appointment, and I am having so much fun. Like, so much fun. Hello. Reese and I have dinner to celebrate me getting a new job. Yay. And we kind of gotta go. I'm gonna put my hair back in a slick back. Been trying to style like this to be cool. Like a cool girl. But I just like I don't really know what's happening, but whatever is happening is just like not really working. I think I need to like actually get the hair back and it'll be, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go to dinner, so let's go. Fit check. Good morning. Me and my hatch have beef. This is the second week in a row where I set my alarm, but it's for the weekend. It's the weekend, and I set my alarm for a weekday alarm. I don't even know why that exists. It's super annoying. So I'm running 40 minutes behind, which means no workout for me because I have a floating sound bath event that I signed up for. So I gotta get going. I think I'm gonna grab a coffee on the way to the gym because my head hurts. I had 1 martini and 1 glass of champagne. And I'm literally hungover, so that's just like disrespectful. But dinner last night was amazing. I just love spending time with Reese. Okay, well, we have a fun day planned today, so let's get it going, guys. It rained so much yesterday, but before the huge that was so weird. I don't know why I just did that. Before the huge blizzard, they put down, like, you could donate your Christmas tree for mulch, and so they put down Christmas trees as mulch, and so it smells like pine. It just smells so good in Thompson Square Park, which it doesn't look good. Well, sorry to be rude to her, but it literally smells like Christmas. I'm just obsessed. We're supposed to get a snow blizzard tomorrow, so it's super exciting. Coffee's secured. I had to sit down and drink my tea. I got 2. That's what I do when I'm hungover. Actually learned it from my childhood best friend Elise. Shout out. But I had to sit down because I thought I was gonna throw up. So now I get a shaken espresso with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. I just finished sound bath and it was insane, but I'm popping on here because I have to Uber home because I'm running so late and I just got a Tesla. So probably gonna puke in the back of his car. What's up? That Tesla ride did in fact make me so incredibly nauseous, more than I already was. But now, fit on. Actually, I'll like give you guys the full. Yeah, no, I saw the dog poo. The New York City dog poo is like inappropriate right now. Here's the top. We're going to Cafe Mod in the East Village. Brunch. We're so excited. Holy cow. wanted poster. This is real sunshine. Happy Sunday, munchkins! Unless you live under a rock, you know that New York City's getting a blizzard today. First blizzard check! So I am number 3 on the wait list for my workout class because my flippin' gym closed. Which, like, obviously, yeah, we want everyone to be safe. But I was really looking forward to a morning workout, but whatever. And so Reese is at the studio and they told me to just come and try to get in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going trying to get into a yoga sculpt. And then we're probably gonna come back and do nothing all day long because, well, the whole blizzard thing. We're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches of snow. I can't even fathom what that looks like. But I made myself a matcha. Might get a bagel on the way home to just kind of like vibe out. Who knows? But let's go. I have this super cute workout set on. Like, can you guys even see it? So cute. So cute. Thanks, Fury. The snow has started. This is not okay. It wasn't supposed to start till 12 and it's 9:30. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. It's over. If anyone thought it wasn't gonna snow, it's dumping. Reese and I just got our nails done. I just got my tips taken off. Ooh, just got Japanese gel. I just honestly couldn't sit in that chair any longer. I had to be done. But I love, love, love that place. They're literally the best ever. And now we're walking through a blizzard. So actually insane. I'm making tea right now. I'm having a salad. And I'm cooking my meal prep. And that's the Sunday night. This is crazy. Like, this is not okay. Can I 0.5? This is insane. It's Snowpocalypse Part 2. Reese couldn't even stay inside. It's like a kid on Christmas. This is insane. This is insane. Look at her. She's like a husky. She loves it out here. That's crazy. I would definitely say that this is 12 inches. Look at that. Okay. Oh. Breakfast is served. I actually made the most perfect coffee ever. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. First day of work.